In this video, I will show you how to search in Trello. So to search easily between tasks, keywords, people, or boards on Trello, what you want to go and do is just go to your Trello overview. It's kind of the home page. And then in the top right, you'll have the search bar. Simply go and click on the search bar. And now here, just search for whatever you are searching for. For example, if you're searching for a specific task name, now for example, I can type in task since that's the name of one of my tasks. And then here you will find that task. Now, if you don't see what you are looking for right here, then just go and click advanced search. And then here you can search for whatever you want in a more advanced way. So right here you can filter a card by the board, for example. So if I only want to find cards on this board, then you can filter the cards by last updated in whatever time frame you want. You can sort the card results. And you can also show closed boards and archived cards, start boards and card descriptions, so you can include card descriptions in your search, and then you can also find keywords from descriptions. So that's how to search in Trello. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.